So this is the Weck closure device, and you're going to see a good example because this is a surgeon that has gotten so proficient with it. He has his finger in to keep the air from leaking out as well as to orient himself. So he's going to bring in the trocar closure device through, and then when he gets it through past those black arrows, then he's going to deploy it and turn it in broad so it will come on either side of the fascia. Then he pulls it up tight against the fascia, and now you want to zero the camera in because inside the triangles is the suture that he needs to grab with the grabber. Now he's pulling it through, and you hold that end on the outside so it doesn't accidentally get pulled out, and then it gets the other side. Now he's going to straighten it out so that he can pull back out through the trocar incision site, and he pulls it in, and you can see how much less traumatic that is and how nice a job it does when you've learned how to maneuver it.